Everybody, this is a lesson on email etiquettes. By etiquette we mean manners. So email, does it have etiquettes also? Yes, of course, because email is trickier than letter writing. Trickier for the reason is that these days it is preferred in the corporate world, and do you know most of the placements nowadays are based on how you write an email. There is a kind of interview where you're given an exercise where you are asked to make an email, and your email has to be grammatically correct. Otherwise, the software catches it and you may not get a chance to appear before the interview board if you don't write proper emails. So, this is very important. Email or the electronic mail is a method of exchanging digital messages from one author to one or more recipients. It's very fast. So, when we look at this neutral email ID, how to write it, most of the students they have the habit of putting their nicknames in email. I would say always go for your proper name. When you make an email ID, don't go for funny nicknames, something that is very personal. You don't sound like a professional if you don't go for neutral email address. Make good use of subject lines. Good use of subject line means when you look at the subject, when one looks at the subject, the content of the email should be clear enough. Subject can be a little long. It can be like meeting in such and such chamber, so and so fellow's chamber at such and such time. I mean, the clarity has to be there in the subject line. Use a proper salutation, that means greeting. Introduce yourself in the first paragraph. If you think that it is within the organization that you are circulating the email, need not introduce yourself, but introduce the topic. Talk about why you have written this email. Keep the messages clear and brief. This is the characteristic of good communication. So email has to be brief than a letter. It has to be more clear and very polite. Signature has to be done in full name means you are supposed to talk about your position, the place where you sit, your contact detail, everything has to come below, because email will have a kind of very professional feel when you write your full name and address below. Proofread your message for content. You might have made errors, so go for spell check at the end. The grammar, of course, is important. Use correct form of leave taking. I mean, close it with a proper note so that people feel happy to respond back. They should not be turned off by looking at your email. It should not have loud capital fonts. Some people make a mistake of typing everything with their caps on. So it looks a loud or shouting mail. That is not preferred. The tone has to be polite. Requesting. Email is free, it's fast. It goes for immediate response. Yes, it's fast than letters. And we can send it to many groups simultaneously. So, a proactive approach, I would not say aggression. See, it's like a proactive approach is seen in the email. And we can connect to many people because of this, and it fosters long-lasting relationships. These are the assignment questions. You can do them and submit the assignment today. Thank you.